Hi, everyone. My name is Greg, and I'm with Spates Painting. The reason I want to talk to you today is to introduce our referral club. So, I am a contractor, I'm a painting contractor, and I'm really tired of paying the high fees on Thumbtack, HomeAdvisor, and some of the other lead sites out there. I mean, come on, $75 for a lead, and you may not even get a phone call out of it? Come on. So what I decided to do is on my own website, Spates Painting, build a referral club that we can all join in and pay just a one low monthly fee, and we will get you leads. I've been doing this for over 15 years, and I can bring in online leads, and I will only charge you $10 a month to start. It's a guaranteed program. If you don't get leads, then you can cancel anytime. It's that simple. So I'm on your side. I'm a contractor too, and I just want to partner up with people that want to get leads and get jobs and not pay so much money for these leads. So if you're interested, click below and join our program. You won't be sorry. Take care.